Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all had a great time. In this video I want to show you that how we can use this pencil tool, or this sharper tool, pencil tool, small tool, pad eraser tool, and join tool, which is a really important tool in the toolbar of Adobe Illustrator. When you open your Adobe Illustrator, in the left you can see this toolbar is available. In our previous video we already did the tutorial about the pen tool, and let me tell you one more thing about the pen tool, that you can use this curvature tool, which is a curve tool for a pen tool. Like if you want to draw anything, you can see I can click at this point, or I can click here. You can see this is a curved pen tool you can use to draw anything, any shapes inside Adobe Illustrator. So this is how you can use this curve pen tool inside Adobe Illustrator. We should include this with the pen tool, but we forgot to include this. So don't worry, it's a simple tool you can use for curved lines. You can use it for to draw any kind of shape. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into this topic, and let me describe each tool that is available here. First, we have this sharper tool. How we can use this sharper tool, when you click here, you can draw any tool, like you can draw any lines like this, but suddenly it's disappear, because this is only going to draw like this shapes. If I want to make a circle, watch carefully. When I make like this, you can see a circle is now made. So suppose if we want to make a rectangle, so here you can see that I'm trying this rectangle. Now it's going to take this rectangle shape. And also if I make this shape, which is a kind of let me here tell you, this is kind of a triangle shape. And also for polygon shape, you can see, let me add this polygon shape. So suppose if we want to actually draw this shape inside Adobe Illustrator, so we're going to get this sharper tool, and let me draw here, 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 here. Now you can see this is going to actually changing to this polygon shape. So this is how you can use this. And also if I want to make a line inside this circle, or inside this triangle, or this rectangle tool, or this polygon, so simply I will do this. So you can see this line is going to create here. And also if I want to create a line like this, I can do. So this is how you can use these lines to create. But if you make this same like this lines, you can also make a lines, straight lines with this shape. You can actually grab this, get your selection tool, click at your points. Let me click one of these points here. So you can actually do anything if you want to here. Simply you click at this shapes, you can move it around. Or if you want to actually delete this point, you simply can delete this. So here you can see we have this handles over here, I can move it around. So this is how you can draw your shape using sharper tool. This is the easiest way to drop any shape inside Adobe Illustrator. So let me tell you the usage. So suppose you design something that here you're going to need a shape, a rectangle or a circle shape, then you're going to use this and try it like this, and it is going to not take so much time to draw. You can see like this rectangle shape. This is easily you can actually draw many more shapes available inside Adobe Illustrator. So this is a good technique to use inside the designs. Let me tell you about pencil. Pencil is something that you're drawing something. Maybe you're in a high school, or you're doing a notebook or something for your school. So here this same pencil, I mean that this is the same kind of pencil that you can do drawing like this, that you can draw. You can see this is the kind of same pencil that I can use for drawing. You can see that I can draw anything. Like this picture is weird, but I can draw anything. You can see not only you can draw, but inside your shape you can do a lot more things. Let me show you. Let me control Z all of this. Here let me draw a rectangle shape. Here if I want a line inside this, so I'm going to grab my pencil. So you can use this technique to design anything. Here I'm going to add a line like this. Here you can see these lines actually made inside this. So how I can change the colors of this place or this place, and I can delete. Let me show you. Here you go to your shape builder tools. I don't want to go and describe shape builder tool in this video. I just wanted to actually show you how you can use this pencil tool. So I'm going to click here, press Alt to delete this line and also delete this one. And here now I have two shapes that's separated by the lines. You can see the line that I created with pencil is separated, so I can actually add a color. So you can use this as a brand, as a shape. So this is how you can use this pencil tool. And also let me here describe this smooth tool. So here when I grab my pencil tool, you can see I draw a shape or a line like this for my shape. So if you want to smooth this, you right click here, go to smooth tool, you click here. You can see when you put your smooth tool and press the right click, we are right click, and here you can see this is going to smooth your line. And here let me do this. You can see your line is actually going to be smooth. Your paths actually going to remove from one same location, and it's go to different location for smoothing your lines. So for each path you click on the path and the line is going to be smooth. So this is how you can smooth. If you draw something in your pencil and it doesn't show smooth, you can see this line is smooth. But if you don't see that's smooth, you can use this smooth tool to smooth your path line. Here we have this path eraser tool. If you click here, you can see we can actually erase this path from here. I can do a lot of path erase. I can erase a lot of path. Here you can see I can remove this one. And also here let me tell you about if you have two lines here that's not connected. So here we have this join tool. So if I click here, you can see this is the separate line. So if I do this, you can see now it's going to be the same path. Now it's joined, so I can use it anywhere. So you can use this join tool to join more path, or if you want to delete any path or erase, you can use this tool. Hope you guys enjoy this video and this tutorial, and let me know if you have any question regarding this video or this tutorial. And if you want to follow our channel, if you want to learn professional graphic design, please follow and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well. And also let us know if you have any question in the comment box of this video. See you guys until next video.